Hey everybody, I am excited to announce that the CELPIP course, the version for the 15-hour course for 2024 is officially here. This is a major course update. A lot of things have changed and we have added a lot of extra features that will guarantee an even better score than you had ever imagined before. There are added features which I'll talk about, but the most important updates are the writing and speaking templates. They now have more added words according to the examiner's criteria. We have also the templates for different scenarios, informal or formal situations. You will now be able to use these words and phrases in almost anything. So you have to check out these new templates that you have to use. Do not use the old templates anymore. Use the updated version, please, especially for 2024, so moving forward. Other than that, you have added mock tests. You have 5 new mock tests. If you have done the ones before, these ones are more challenging. They reflect the real exam difficulty and they're very, very high quality tests. The answers also come with explanation, just like the last course. And again, no other course online gives you those explanations. So you will really be able to understand why the answers are what they are and how you are able to arrive at them. Last year, reading was extremely difficult. This time, I have accounted for that. There is another lecture, a 1-hour separate lecture on CELPIP reading, because I know many of you are struggling with that. But this lecture details especially how to target the most difficult types of CELPIP reading questions, how to quickly get the answers, and no matter what the vocab level is, whatever the hidden answer is, you should be able to get it using the strategies mentioned here. Check those out as well. Again, I mentioned the mock tests. They include these difficult vocabulary and paraphrased versions that you see in the exams nowadays in reading and listening. So again, those mock tests are a must do. The other thing is worksheets. Now you have worksheets on vocab, you have it on grammar and on different places, which I don't want to spoil for you now. Check those out, do those worksheets. You're given tasks and you're asked to do 5 sentences, 10 sentences on those tasks. If you do them, again, it is a practice that will help you guarantee yourself a good score. The other thing is grammar. Now we have added a grammar lesson as well, because a big problem for students has been they use templates, they use a good structure, but the grammar is weak. That's where you're losing marks. Now you have a lesson for grammar, you have resources and a worksheet for that too. Check that out as well. Finally, the vocab list we have now is about 800 plus 250, 1050 words. Here's the thing, the last course came with 800 words. You still have those 800 words because they're the best ones to use, but I have included separately 250 words, which include idiomatic expressions, vocab, which is advanced and day-to-day conversation. You also have phrasal verbs, all of them combined in 250 words, because I know you guys are not learning the 800 words, and I understand it's hard to do that, especially if your exam is in a week or 2, or even in 2 to 3 days, which is where a lot of you buy that course. Now, if that's the case, just learn the 250 words. It's an accelerated vocabulary list, a summarized and a concise version. What I'm saying there is, hey guys, I know you're not going to learn all this huge list. Just learn this compact list. This compact list is going to make the biggest difference if you can't learn the big one. The big one is great, but at least do the compact one. So you have 250 keywords and phrases you got to learn before your test. And all that great information is packed in this course. We have sent it out to our new students in, I think, the last week, and we've been getting great reviews on that. You're going to love it too. It is, again, the same CELPIP self-paced course, but on steroids, which guarantees, again, a great mark. So check it out. The link is in the description. You will see a shop icon too, where you can get the product. If you have any questions, you can email us. You can also comment here for any questions. And please use this updated course for your 2024 exams, and best of luck.